All right, class, we're going to continue with our lesson from yesterday. So your lesson objective for today is I can use place value and regrouping and number problems, understanding, to solve 10 multi-digit math problems with 80% accuracy. All right, class, so today we're going to continue on with the lesson. We're going to do a Nearpod where we're going to review and do a few warm-up exercises, and we want to check for your understanding. So I just have a question, Andrew. What is it called when you're adding two numbers together? The answer to an addition problem is called a what, class? Sum. Say it loud. Sum. Okay, so what happens if I'm adding numbers? Okay, and let's say I have 5 plus 5, and it's all in the ones column. What am I to do? Give me a word that I'm looking for. What do I have to do with the set of 10?
I have 0 down and carry the 1.
Okay, what vocabulary word did we use for that?
Regrouping.
Say it out loud.
Regrouping.
Regrouping. So I need more than Andrew to tell me. So what is it called when we bring down the 0 and carry the 1? It's called what?
Regrouping.
Regrouping. Thank you, class. All right, so we're going to continue using place value and regrouping to solve. So we're going to do a quick review, and we're all going to work together. Since we have the social distance, I can't let you guys get together side by side and get that. So what we're going to do is go to the Nearpod. So everyone, please click on that Nearpod link for me. And we're going to go through a series of we're going to do some review, and you guys are going to do some activity. So this is going to be an interactive lesson. So we're going to put our teacher input / our guided practices all together. So I'm going to help you along the way. You're going to help each other, okay, along the way. So while we're doing this, people online, Kanani and Hisef, do the work for Group A. Yes, Tavon.
There's a Nearpod link.
It is in there. It should be right beside.
It's in the do right now.
Under do right now. You're Group B, right? So it should be number 2. Okay, so what I need to do. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys a moment to click on that. And Canvas, you should be in Canvas, Tavon, right? And in Canvas, you should see under your do right now. Hold on. Let's go. Okay, Thursday, April 15th. There's a Group A. Group A, you're doing, do your warm-up. Then if you've done the warm-up already, you're doing your Nearpod. And then we're all going to do the exit ticket together. Group B, we're in the teacher input Nearpod lesson. Click here to join. I need you to click here to join. Okay, let me unlock the meeting. So when you click there, you guys should see the Nearpod lesson. Okay, so I've gotten you guys started with that. So remember, we're going to be finding the sum of two numbers with regrouping, but we'll get ready to go through this Nearpod. All right, so adding with regrouping. In this lesson, we will continue using strategies that we've learned about place value and operations, and we're going to solve this. This is not going to take us 40 minutes. I know it says 40 minutes, but it's not going to take us 40 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm waiting for you guys to get in there so far. I thank you, Andrew. Thank you, Amaya. Thank you, Mia. If you need help, please put your hand up. Need help?
My thing will move.
Oh, I'm moving it. Okay, guys, we're doing this as a class, so I'm controlling it. So give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Thumbs up. Good. Thumbs up, Group B. Group A, you should be working. Group B, thumbs, good. Thank you, Group B. All right, Group B, we're going to move on. All right. So here's the first one. You guys please answer this question. This is just to see where we are. So I'm going to read it out loud. I'm going to read this out loud for you. Jasmine has $1,824 left on her checking account. If she writes a check for $3,697, what would be Jasmine's balance? What would Jasmine's balance be? So you guys take a moment and answer it. And let's see what we come up with. Now you may help your neighbor. If you're sitting beside someone in group B and you need help, please ask. Or you can ask me, well, please remain in your section. I don't mind if you talk, but, or I will come over and I'll try to stay.
Can I submit it?
Yep, submit. Go ahead and submit. Everybody submit.
Wait.
And if you need paper, let me know.
Miss, so we're supposed to go, like, the A people were supposed to go B and do that warm up?
Yeah, we're in group B. We've already done warm up. We're on part 2, teacher input, near-pot lesson. That's what we're doing.
Oh, this is confusing.
Okay, here I
I
come.
got it.
Okay. This is for later. Did you go to Canvas?
Yeah, I made Canvas Thursday and
Okay, we're here.
Oh.
Okay. And if you need help, let me know. This is the part where you get help, because you guys are going to try this on your own in a few moments, okay? This is the time to ask for help if you need it. Group A, if you need paper, let me know. If you need help, let me know. Okay, remember we're regrouping? Okay.
Miss Mac.
That tell me to keep walking? Okay, keep walking.
Miss
Thank you.
Mac.
Yes, sir.
I finished getting your question.
You finished the near part already?
It was only like 2 questions.
Group A?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was only like 2 questions. So I completed it.
So when I go in, it's gonna tell me how much time you spent on each slide? It's more than 2 questions in that slope.
I said what it felt like.
Oh, okay. So you did answer everything? Okay, do Prodigy. All right, guys, let's move on. Did y'all put your answers in? All righty. Okay, so let's share what everyone is saying. We're going to give you another moment. I see. If you need more time, give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up, you need more time? Good. All right, so let's see what everyone says. Let's look at our pie chart. Okay, so it says everybody got it correct. Great job. Let's move on. All right, let's do some review. We know that we can use base 10 blocks. Y'all remember the base 10 blocks?
Yeah.
We had the hundreds, the tens, and then we had the ones, and then we used the good. So you can do that on your paper. Remember, we learned how to draw that. You guys choose any strategy, the blocks, you guys number chart, any strategy that you would like to use to add these multi-digit numbers. Okay, use any strategy. Okay, so let's review. If you have 10s, if you have 10 ones, we can exchange them for 10. What does my little guy say there?
What is a trade?
Trade, which means, he's saying that you can take 10 ones and trade them for 1 10. You see that? You have your 10 ones. He's saying you can take, like say I had 10 ones blocks. I can take my 10 ones and I can trade them for a 10. So that's remember we talked about what's taking place when we move a number from one place to another. So when we move it from a group of 10 from the ones column, okay, we're taking that, we'll put it to the tens column, right? Remember, we get 10 groups of 10, we're going to take that and move it to the hundreds. And we have 10 groups of 100, we take that and move it to the
Thousands.
I need more people to the
Thousands.
thousands. Thank you. I just want to try you out. What if I have 10 thousands? Where do I move those 10 1,000s? To the, oh, good job. I heard 2 things. I heard 100,000s and I heard 10,000s. If you say it's 10,000s, give me a thumbs up. If you say it's 10,000s, up high. If you say it's 100,000, thumbs up. Who is right? So when we're doing place value, let's do our place value. Help me out. Ones. Let's go. Ready, next? Tens. Next.
Hundreds.
Thousands.
And thousands.
10,000s.
So if I have 10 groups of 1,000, I'm moving them to the what?
10,000.
10,000s. Good job. Good job. So that's what let's remember that. So that's a checking our understanding of what's taking place with our place value. So let's remember, you cannot write 2 digits in the ones column. So when we have 5 plus 5, we cannot put the whole 10. So you said that, Andrew, what did you say, Andrew? What are we supposed to do with this 10? What are we supposed to do with this 10? We can't put the whole 10 in the ones. What we're supposed to do with it, Andrew?
Bring down the 0 and move it into the next, and move the 1 into the next one.
He says bring down the 0, leave the 0 in the ones column, bring the 1 over to the 10s. What is that called? Say it loud. Regrouping. We're going to regroup. We're going to take our 10 ones and bring it over to the 10s column. We're trading it out, remember? All right, let's try it. Okay, here's the same thing again. Okay, so there's a video. Raise your hand if you need to see the video about regrouping again. Nope, let's move on. Okay, let's see how we do without the video. If we need it, we'll come back to it, okay? It's asking me that I want to play the video. I want to actually skip the video. Okay, can you remember each step? Okay, now let's go step by step. At any time we get to a step and you don't understand it, please let me know. We're going step by step. You ready? Okay, so we have 175 plus 285. I wonder, am I recording?
You are.
How you know?
Because this.
I'm talking about on this right here.
Ah.
You're recording.
No, okay. All right, step 1. We have our problem. 175 plus 285. I'm trying to find the what? Give me the vocabulary word. I'm trying to find the what when I add this together. I need to find the sum. Okay, so first step. We're going to start in the ones column. So we have 5 plus 5. What do I need to do, class?
Add them together.
And, okay, so I'm adding together. I found the sum of the 2. What am I doing? What's 5 plus 5?
10.
Thank you, Sanaya. I'm regrouping. So regrouping means I need to do what?
Take the 0 down and then move the 1 up into the next.
Okay.
To the 10s, please.
Okay, to the 10s. Thank you. That's what I'm looking for. I'm leaving the 0 in the ones column. I'm taking the 1 set of 10 to the 10s column. All right? Next step. Now that I carry my 1, what do I do, class? Now I have to add a group of 10 to this. So tell me what's going on now. What should I do next? Let's go. What should I do next?
7 plus 8 plus 1.
7 plus 8 plus 1. What is it? Somebody help us out.
16.
16. So if I have 16, what am I doing in my 10s column? What goes in my 10s?
Bring the 6 down and then
6. Am I regrouping anything?
Yes, you're grouping the 1.
Yes.
I'm regrouping what?
You're moving the 1.
I got a set of 10 I need to move over. 10 10s that I need to move over to the, what place am I moving it to? The hundreds. Good. So let's move a little faster. We're going to move that over. Can I put the whole 16 in the 10s column?
No.
No. Which number am I leaving in the 10s column?
6.
And then I'm carrying the 1 to the what column?
Hundreds.
Hundreds. Great job. So now I'm going to do that. So now what do I do? Now I'm working in which column? What column am I working in now?
Hundreds.
Hundreds. So I carried over 10 10s, right? To the hundreds. So now what should I do?
1 plus 2 plus 1.
Okay. And so what is the answer?
4.
4. Okay, so what is the answer for, what is the sum of these two numbers?
460.
Great job. All righty. So now you guys have a practice problem. Let's go.
Oh, Lord.
It says draw it. So you guys have a pen down there. Please draw it, and I'm going to be able to see what you're doing. It says draw it.
Oh.
Draw it.
I wish I could write on the screen.
I'm gonna give you a moment. Give you a moment to draw it. So it says Rose painted 36 minutes in the morning and 17 minutes in the afternoon. How long did she paint in all? So go ahead and use any method that you like, any strategy to find the sum of these two numbers. Great job. Great job, Mia. Good job, Andrew. Great job, Kamari. I see you guys working hard. Wonderful. Great job, girl. I see some great work going on. Wonderful. All right. I like the strategies that are being used here. I like the strategies that are being used here. Okay, so I can't, so let me see if I can get a snapshot of everyone working so hard. Good job. Everybody's doing wonderful. I see you guys are using your strategies. Everybody, some people are choosing different, and it's okay, as long as we all come up with the same answer. All right, good. All right, are we ready? Okay. All righty. Yes, Group A, if you finish with your agenda, please work in Prodigy. Please work on your skills in Prodigy. All right, Group B. Wonderful. Y'all doing great. Good job. How do you know this is right? Who remember how to check? How do we know this is right? Who remembers that strategy?
Subtract it.
Subtracting. What are we subtracting?
The sum 53.
The sum from either one of them.
Okay, good job. Try it out. Try it out real quick. And tell me what, is it right? Check your answer. Let's take it a step further. Check your answer. How do you know you're right? How do you know you're right? Let me see. Let me see if someone can show me. How do you know you're right? How do you check your answer? Can y'all draw that on there too? Or it won't let you draw? You don't have room? Oh, yes you do. Okay, good job. All right, wonderful.